Dr. Hisham, how do you keep your teeth so white? It's a mystery to so many people.
It is, and funny thing is when people come to the practice, well, it's not actually funny, it's just the reality of what I do. Since I'm a cosmetic dentist, people go, I want teeth like yours. And yes, my front teeth are mine. No fillings, nothing on there. My back teeth, yes, I had some crowns done because I had some old metal fillings from childhood days when I had cavities and all that. So people go, well, how do you have these white teeth and how do you keep them that white? It's not as simple as a one little sentence, because there's more to it. The reason why we see something as bright is actually not just the color, it's the brightness of the teeth that you see. Is one, its size, two, that it actually reflects light back at us, and three, the contrast behind it which it sits. So in my case, my teeth would look a little bit brighter than exactly the same teeth on somebody of lighter skin, because they're contrasting a bit more. They're also stain free, and they're quite big and thick in size, and they're very glossy because I don't abrade them away with abrasives. So I don't use conventional products that have so much abrasives in that they abrade your teeth away and make them matte, basically. And I don't use acidic products or drink too much acid that, again, dissolves your teeth and makes them mottled. So if the teeth can't reflect the light because they're not glossy, they're either matte or they're scratchy, they will not look white or bright. If they're very thin, because you've already abraded them away so much, and we see this especially in young people, drinking so many acidic drinks and sports drinks and fruit juices, thinking that that's healthier, or lemon in the water. Young women drink that so much because they're told it's healthy, it makes you slim. It's terrible. It dissolves teeth. Citric acid dissolves teeth. Once those teeth have become thin, once that enamel, that hard shell on the outside has become thinner, which is it's actually like glass, that enamel. The thinner it becomes, the more it shows through what's behind it, which is dentine, and that's a yellowish, more dense substance. You will never be able to whiten. Never. You've actually got to do veneers or crowns or something to build back that lost enamel and that lost gloss and luster and thickness to them, to protect them from sensitivity and from breakdown. That's one important factor, but also to give them back their shape and beauty. You can't whiten thin, abraded, dissolved teeth. That's just impossible. So when people come and just say, I want whitening, it's not as easy as that. You've got to look at the situation, look at the scenario, and go, what is happening here? Are you a good candidate? Are you not a good candidate? How can we help you? And so on and so forth. So these are the core messages about white teeth, basically, and how to keep them white. The question of how do I keep it going that way is literally by using the Spa system. I rarely whiten my teeth officially in the clinic, although I've got access to that 24/7, because I just don't need to. And it's not because I don't drink coffee, which I do, and I drink black coffee. I like espressos, and I eat beetroot. I love green juices, so we do a lot of greens, a lot of dark staining stuff. I don't drink alcohol, so there's no wine for me, but there's other green or red or black stuff that I consume. So it's not the lack of that consumption, it's the fact that I balance back with something that unsticks those stains, dissolves those stains away, and keeps my teeth alkaline and solid without abrading them, without pushing that stain further in or introducing further stains into my mouth. A lot of dental products out there are blue, green, purple. Why are we putting more colors in our mouth when we're trying to fight colors? So balancing what you eat with what you use, which is why the Spa system is either white or clear. That's intentional. That's by design. That's not an accident. I kept it white or clear, and every ingredient in there unsticks bacteria, unsticks stains, prevents staining, promotes whitening, especially the mouth rinse and the powder together, that combination one after the other. Man, it's what you see here. I can't tell you anymore. I can just show you. This is it. This is years of using Spa, years and years. And that's how it stays.